You know that all Mercedes S-Class you listed on Autoscout24 for less than 5,000 euros? The one that looks like the deal of lifetime. Forget it, it's a trap. You see, everyone wants to look rich, but nobody wants to pay a rich man mechanic bill. Today I'm gonna show you why a 20,000 euro Toyota is actually cheaper than a 5,000 euro Mercedes. We're going to look at the math that the car doesn't want you to see. First, I want you to listen to this sound. That is the sound of your wallet dying. That is the Mercedes aromatic suspension failing. When you buy a used flagship luxury car, you're buying a complex system of air bladders and compressors that are past their expiration date. Just to fix one, it costs more than the car worth. Meanwhile, look at the Toyota Camry or a Corolla. The suspension is made of simple steel springs, and you know what? It never breaks and still doesn't leak. Now let's open the hood. To understand why this car bankrupts you, you need to understand a specific era of Mercedes engineer, the twin spark obsession. In the late 90s, on engines like this via Mercedes, decided that one spark plug was enough, so they put two physical plugs in every cylinder. Why? On paper it was brilliant, it made the fuel burn faster and cleaner without needing a complex injection systems. It was designed for perfect smoothness. The Toyota philosophy versus the cost. But Toyota looked at the same problem and said we can gain 95% of that efficiency with just one plug. If we design the engine head better, Toyota choose simplicity, Mercedes choose complexity. And there is a trap for you today. Manufacturers like Bosch or Denso make these plugs to tune up a Toyota Camry. You buy 4 plugs for 50 bucks. On this S-Class, because of that twin spark system, you don't need 8, you need 16 spark plugs. Just the parts will cost you over 200 euros. And because of the engine is so wide, half of them are hidden. You need to pay a mechanic hours of labor just to reach them. The modern irony. And the funniest part, Mercedes doesn't do this anymore. Modern Mercedes engines went back to one spark plug. They invented multi-spark ignition, where only one single plug fires 4 or 5 times in a split second. They achieved the same result without the hardware, so buying this old V8 means that you're stuck in the old German engineering. A solution that was actually brilliant but financially a nightmare for the owner. And then, there are electronics. In the early 2000s, Mercedes tried to put features in their cars. Soft closed doors, massage seats, electronic cruise control. It was all amazing in 2005. But now, it's a nightmare. These models drain the battery while you sleep. You wake up, the car is dead, the sensors are failing, the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. A cheap economic car doesn't have soft closed doors to break, it just has a door latch. It works today, it works tomorrow, it works in 10 years. So next time you're browsing in Autoscout24 and you see a V12 Beast for the price of a scooter, keep scrolling unless you are a mechanic with infinite patience. That car will make you look wealthy, it will make you look poor. Sometimes the ultimate luxury is just the turning key and knowing that the car will start. If you agree, hit the like button and drive safe.